Hi, friend. I'm Ashley, one of the tutors here at the Interior Design Institute. I'm so excited to welcome you to the course and can't wait to see where your design journey takes you. I've been working in the design and organizing space for about 9 years or so. I love how design and organizing transforms how we live in our homes. One of the reasons I love being a tutor is because I get to see people of all ages and backgrounds learn new concepts, combine their creativity, and create beautiful and exciting design projects. I love to see people do well. As you begin the course, here's a couple of tips for you. Number one, always consider both the mood you're aiming for and the actual function of the space to make practical design choices. And number two, be open to feedback and never stop learning. You're welcome to reach out anytime during the course with any question you may have. I wish you very good luck. Till here.